Hello everyone. Usually we are given a data set and we are asked to calculate mean and standard deviation or other measures of central tendency. Now let's look at the reverse of it. If mean is given, say the mean is given to be 50 and my standard deviation is given to be 10. So how can I get my data set? Usually data set is given to me and I'm asked to calculate mean and standard deviation. But I'm now flipping it over and saying I'm giving you mean and standard deviation. How can you generate the data set? So mean, I will denote it as my mu and standard deviation as my sigma. So how do I get my data set? So I'll put my mean right in the center. And then I will keep subtracting my standard deviation on this end. And I will keep adding my standard deviation on this end. So what I'm going to do is this is 40. If I minus my standard deviation, this is 30 and this is 60 and this is 70. What I mean is this is my mean. I add my standard deviation here. I'll use the sigma, add my two standard deviation. Similarly, this would be mu minus standard deviation, mu minus 2 standard deviation. I can keep going like this and get my data set back. So by using mu and standard deviation, I can generate my data set. You can also ask me a question, where do I stop? You can stop whatever is your n. If n is 10, mean is in the center, and then there are values on this end and the values on this end. It's easy if the n is odd because then you have one center value and then equal number of values on the other side. If n is even, then you might have more number of values on this side and less number this side, and vice versa. Just be careful for this condition to be applied when mean and standard deviation are given, and the data set to be generated is only when the data follows a normal distribution. And in real life, the data would not be such neatly spaced out. Anyway, you can use mean and standard deviation to generate your data set. Thank you.